What were you hunting today? Say chickens and cheetahs. A cheetah, not a chicken. I have a funny dream. Like there's a duck and then with a pirate ship and then can camouflage in the clouds. And then he got some magic in his hands. What are we doing, William?
We're playing in the treehouse exactly. And Quinn, James is playing the kid. Quinn and me are mom and dad. And there's our pet cheetah. Now, my dream was that I had 10 Lego tables in my bedroom full of Legos. And I love Lego.
What is James doing?
James, he's on the tractor screaming with Dad.
No. See, he's on the tractor doing boring stuff.
He's on the tractor doing boring stuff. That's the chickens. That's the compost. See, those leaves are compost. That's Daddy over there. You can't see him very well. This is the inside of our treehouse. We have a little kitchen. And then this is our coloring stuff we use for coloring. And Mom took the coloring stuff away. I don't know why she did, but... And then there's Gypsy.
Now she's right in the bushes.
She's in the bushes. You can't see her very well.
And now I'm going to show you the pipe, which is right there, the white thing. So this is James's new socks.
That's over there is our house. That's the garage. That's a picture we have on our wall. And here's Quinn.
Yep. And this is me sliding.
It's an awesome,
This is our toys and a wagon. This is James' bike.
And this is me.
Yep. That's the kind of thing I don't know.
Can I go? That's the garden. We're not making a garden anymore because it's almost winter, so we're taking all the plants out. I'm seven. She's 5, and our little brother James is 3. And then we have our little baby, a little baby whose name is Annette. She is 0 right now. And this is me waving.
Okay. Now that's some plants, pretty plants. That is a big tomato.
That's a watermelon.
No, it's a tomato. Over here is our strawberries. This is the baby's stroller, which is pretty cool. Whoa! And I just fall. That's a big puddle. And then here's some worms under what?
I'm gonna marry a wife, and then I'm gonna have kids, and then Quinn's gonna have kids too, and she's gonna marry a guy.
I want to show them.
And then James is gonna marry a wife, and then the baby's gonna marry a guy. And then we'll all have kids, and then that's gonna be the end. We'll just have kids. Maybe James won't have kids or not, but they probably will end up having kids.
Over there is the beautiful sky. And here's some grass with some nice dirt. See that big rock there? And then there's all this grass. And then
That's our back lawn.
These are our onions. And then that's our other ones. Those other ones. And these are our helmets.
Bike helmets.
Yep. And this is William's bike. Here's my bike.
That's our big map.
Show me climbing up here.
And that's Quinn climbing up there. Those are our library books.
Why did God take some of Adam's guts out?
To make Eve.
And that's our orange pea. Chickens, what are you doing? They don't see anything. Come on, there's more eggs. There's only 2 eggs. Look. And look at these 2 eggs. Go down. These eggs in my hand. By jumping. Hey, Gypsy. Hello. Gypsy. Come on, Gypsy. These are eggs. Come on, Gypsy. Gypsy, what are these? One's broken. Yep. I wish we could this egg. It was from the chicken coop.
You got